Hi guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Helena Fergerman. In this tutorial I will navigate you on what to do after you have completed row 1 and you have too many stitches. First, untie your knot. If it's difficult to untie, take a tapestry needle and loosen the knot. My knot is definitely very tight. Pull gently. I have managed to pull the long tail, but the knot is still there. And pull each chain stitch out. This is example 1. I will show you another example where stitches can unravel very easily without pulling yarn with the needle. I thought it will be nice to see both possibilities because you never know which one you will get. This is example 2 where stitches will unravel really easily compared to the example 1. Take a hook and create a little knot again. Thank you for watching. I hope you've had a great experience. For those who are new to my channel, if you'd like to see more videos in the future, please subscribe to be notified when I add a new video. Enjoy your day or evening and I will see you soon.